Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to sign up in your Wise app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Wise app from your home screen, and once you open your Wise app, you need to tap on the Get Started button. So once you do so, you need to hit the register option. After tapping on register, you need to now enter your email address of your account and then hit the next button. Then you need to choose which kind of account you want to create and select a country. Then press the next button and type in your mobile phone number. Once you type in your mobile phone number, you will get a code to verify your phone number. So simply type in the code that has been sent to your number and create your password for your account. So once the password is also created, hit the registered button and you will end up in next page where you can also set up your biometrics, or you can even skip it on, and after this you will end up in this page. So hit the continue button and you can even find your friends and add them. So in this way you can get signed up or create an account on your Wise app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.